Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show a tutorial. If you ever upload a video and see that it's even though you put the video as it's not for kids, so people can comment, it still says comments are turned off. Well, today I'm gonna show a tutorial on how to make it so that you can turn on comments. So first, you want to go to your video by pressing the edit button. As you can see, here's my video. Then you want to go to the show more, press show more, and then you can just skip all this. No, okay, no, 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 no. Oh, and yeah, okay. Here it is. As you can see, for this video, the comments are on, but if the comments are turned off, you can press this and then press on. And yeah, that's basically how to do it. Yeah, and yeah.